Around the globe, 5 billion YouTube videos are watched every day. YouTube is as popular as ever, with users spending an average of 40 minutes per YouTube session. In line with this digital shift, the next thing you should learn is how to make money on YouTube. All you need is video editing software and a computer, and you can get started on YouTube. For example, on Ryan's toy review, young Ryan makes a whopping $22 million by playing around and disassembling toys. Not bad for playing around with gadgets. Making money on YouTube is no longer exclusive to a select few platinum musicians or huge influencers. There are plenty of opportunities for everyday people to make money from YouTube. Therefore, the competition is pretty intense, and making a lot of money online becomes more challenging. Here are some powerful strategies you can employ to jumpstart your earning potential from YouTube. Number 1. YouTube monetization. Use affiliate links on YouTube. Promoting affiliate links can be a massive earning opportunity for channels that offer in-depth tutorials, as well as insightful product reviews. For example, if you recommend a product and a user visits your link to buy, you'll start earning commissions. You can place these links in the first few lines of your description and speak about your link in your video content. Posting affiliate links on YouTube shares a typical resemblance to promoting affiliate links on your blog. Number 2. Become a YouTube partner and earn from ads. For many YouTubers, ads are the most essential revenue stream. As a YouTube partner, you make money in different ways. You can make money from ads before your videos, channel memberships, or Google AdSense banner ads. However, there are some ground rules to observe before becoming a certified YouTube partner, as well as some prerequisites needed to start. Aside from adhering to YouTube's ad rules, you must amass a minimum of 4,000 video watch hours on your channel in the last 12 months and have 1,000 subscribers. 3. Make money on YouTube with funding from your fans. If you've built a following of loyal fans, encouraging them to crowdfund your channel can help you fund your new videos and profit. A platform like Patreon introduces more seamlessness to the process of getting paid for your content. For as little as $1, your fans can make subscriptions to their favorite channels. Number 4. Master your YouTube SEO. For video creators who have not built a significant following yet, you have to step up your game and maximize YouTube SEO this year. To do that, perform keyword research like you usually would. However, think a little differently based on what people are searching for on YouTube. Next, make sure you are using high-value keywords in your video title, description, and video tags. Once launched, you can check your YouTube traffic source, YouTube search report, to get an idea of what people are searching for when they find your hosted videos. Number 5. Make the most of your YouTube marketing funnel. Optimize your YouTube channel for sales. Choose your niche, become a YouTube partner, and start planning your marketing funnel. YouTube is one way to spread your message, but you can make more money by using YouTube in unison with a blog. That way you're collecting more email addresses and eventually selling products to your fan base. For example, if you write a blog post about an affiliate product you're recommending, repurpose that content, and create a YouTube video embedded in the post. Then send users from YouTube back to your blog and to the affiliate links to both earn commissions and build blog readers. Another great option is to connect your YouTube channel with an e-commerce platform like Shopify and sell merch. Number 6. Become an Amazon influencer. The Amazon Influencer program is becoming more popular. This influencer program allows you to maximize your YouTube, social media in general, presence to make money via Amazon recommendations. After joining the program, you can review and recommend products and direct your viewers to Amazon to purchase via affiliate links. When your viewers click through and make Amazon purchase, you get your cut of the commissions, typically 8 to 10%. However, this program isn't open to everyone. Social media follower count and other metrics dictate approval odds. Number 7. Explore extra gains from YouTube Red subscribers. YouTube Red allows users to pay $9.99 for ad-free YouTube viewing. Even without ads, content creators can still generate money and make 55% of revenue, based on view time. There are mixed reviews on whether YouTube Red increases or decreases CPM rates. How much money can you make on YouTube? The short answer, it depends. By using ad monetization, affiliate links, and selling sponsored placements in your videos, you can maximize your revenue potential. On YouTube, You can make money from ads on a CPM, CPV, and CPC basis. With cost per impression, CPM, a typical YouTuber makes $7.60 per 1,000 views. Nonetheless, by Google policy, creators get 55% of earnings accrued from advertisements while Google keeps 45%. Now if you are using affiliate marketing as a channel owner, advertisers disperse payment with different models, typically cost per sale or cost per lead. Here, your earnings directly correlate with the number of conversions and sale commissions you get from advertisers. That's it for now. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update from our side. Thank you.